Hi there. Well, today I'm going to show you how to unroll rather than unravel your MDPE pipes. Now really you can use this for any pipes or wiring that you do. So we're currently installing irrigation here, and one of the things we need to do is obviously get this into a usable state. So what I'm going to do is grab my secateurs here. So I'm going to use a secateurs or a scissors to cut these. Now I could grab a standing knife and try and do those, but the reason I don't want to do that is because if I'd accidentally nick my pipe or damage it, and that's 750 mil or however far down in the ground, I'm not really going to find that, and I'm going to be wasting a lot of water. So I would rather grab a secateurs or scissors, give that each a cut on each of the sides, it's sharp enough. That secateurs, I'm going to grab a scissors, give that a cut. Grab that side. Now what I'm going to do is, before I cut the other two, what you don't want to do is you don't want to just unravel this like this, because you end up with a sort of concertina effect. Same with a cable, where if I pull this off just diagonally like that, you end up with this sort of concertina effect, and it's really difficult to then get your pipes nice and straight. So what we want to do is we want to grab one of the sides and we're going to weight that down. But really important, these little caps, that's to protect your pipe from getting dust and dirt in there, and then when you switch your system in, that helps your sprayers and things. So what you want to do is you want to leave those in. I'm going to use a brick or something, a slate in this case, just to weight this side down like that. There we go. Grab my scissors again. Now I'm going to cut the other ends there and there, and then literally, instead of pulling this out and creating that, and then you have to unravel all of this, I'm going to keep it together and I'm going to roll it down and weight it at the other end. There we go. Right, so instead of having pipes all over the place, I've got a nice straight pipe there that I can use. Now if this, sometimes the pipe's quite stiff, if you can leave it in the sun or just leave it out for a while, that'll sort of settle out, because even if I lift this up now, you'll see it wants to start rolling back into place. But if you leave it in the sun, it'll soften up and it'll get straightened nicely. So really simple to do. Give it a go. It's as easy as that. Let's do this. See you next time. Bye. And I'm going to use something to weight it down. So I'm going to use a rock. That's my heavy one. Okay, that's going to weight down on that side. And then I'm going to take all of my pipe like this, and I'm actually going to roll it out like this, all the way down for as much length as I need. So for now, I'll just take that as an example. And so what you can see is you end up with a straight effect instead of this sort of coily effect that you're ending up with the stuff that we left there.